Good morning, traders. I've got 6:58 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, almost 7 o'clock here, and I am just getting started, and I'm going to start taking some trades and show how easy it is to make money when you know how the computer behind all of the movement works within the oil market and of course within all markets. I am tracking the computer every day in my charting service, and I know how to take trades to make big amounts of money doing that. So I'm going to demonstrate that today. I will be back shortly to start taking some trades, or I might only need to take just one trade for a big trade today. So I'll come right back. Okay, I have taken a long position here. The computer just gave away a tell, indicating that it is going to move up. I've got a 60 tick exit on this, but I'm going to change that to 80 ticks here. I'll be right back. Okay, I've got an 80 tick exit on this. I said within my charting, if this happens, if it goes long, to go for a big trade. So I'm going to go for a relatively big trade here. I'm going to go for 80 ticks. Should be able to get it. It's a little conservative. I could probably get 100, but 80 sounds good to me. So I called this out in my charting. I said to look for the long entry. If it comes, take it and take a big trade off of it. I am doing exactly what I said in my charting service. I will come back and show you the progression and of course the outcome of this trade. Just to show you though, my exit is at 31.59, and look over here, the top is at 31.23. So I am going for an exit that's beyond that top right there. I mean, what trader in the world is going to know something like that? None. There's absolutely none. The only reason why I know it is because a computer is controlling the price. The computer just told me which way it's going to go and how far it will go. Can you believe that? Well, watch it for yourself. Watch how I'm going to be right. That's the advantage that we have over this market and all the markets because of the fact that it's controlled by a computer. I will come back and show you the progression and the outcome of this trade. But just to let you know, the implications of this are very profound. It means that all the people that you hear about on CNBC and Bloomberg and all of the financial networks all over the world are either A, clueless, B, liars. One of the two, perhaps even both. But the whole entire system is ultimately just a lie. Oil isn't going down for this or that reason. Oil is going down because whoever programmed the computer to do it is doing it. They chose what price oil to be at. All markets like that. Chinese market going down, same thing, all controlled by a computer. Somebody wanted to take that market down, and they could do so at any time they wish. Or they can take any market they wish and make it go high. They can take it as high as they want. They can take it as low as they want. Anytime they want, anywhere around the world, in every country there is. It means that you're being lied to on a level that most people would never even fathom. Now, that sucks beyond belief that they're able to do this to all of us. At least I have found a way to take advantage of it and share it with other people, giving them the ability and teaching them how to do it as well. Anyway, I will come back. It's beginning its move up here. It's just broke that previous high right there. Went a little bit above 31. And Actually, it went right to 31. And it's just going to take some more time, and it'll get up there. My exit is all the way up at 3179. So, or 59. So it's got a ways to go, but it'll get there. The computer says that it'll get there, and I have tracked it using the charting service that I do every day. That's how I know exactly what it's going to do. You can learn how to track it yourself, which I teach how to do in my video courses, or you can have me track it for you using my service. But one way or another, you can learn how this works and you can profit from it. Okay, I will come back and show you the progression, or at least the outcome of this trade. Okay, it's getting a bit closer. It went up to 35 right there. So, you know, that was within striking distance. 35. It's got to go to 59. So that was 24 pennies. 24 ticks. Real close. So, it's going to make it, just like I said. And I could get more than that, but I'm just going to play it conservative and take 80 ticks off the table here. Anyway, I'll come back and show it to you. But keep in mind, it was down here, and I called it to go above right there. And it did exactly that, right from my entry. And it went straight up, and it's going to continue to go up to my exit. Very high mathematics. You know, what's to stop it from coming down right now? You know, why is this not the high? Well, because the computer's controlling it, and the computer already told me what it was going to do before it did it. I know that sounds impossible, but it's not. It's not impossible. It's 100% the truth. That is exactly how you see me know what it's going to do before it does it. This is the best trading system to ever, it's even conceivable. Anyway, I will come back and show you to just let you know how corrupt everything is. It's corrupt beyond anybody's wildest dreams come true. From the very top down. Anyway, I'll come back. It's getting real close. So here's my advice. Learn how to take advantage of it. At least you can make some money. You can't change the world, neither can I. We can scream at the top of our lungs, this is all controlled by a computer. Who's going to do anything about it? The sheriff? A lawyer? You can't even imagine the corruption that is taking place at the very top. Nothing is going to be done about it. But at least we can make money from it. That's one good thing. That's the only good thing that I know of. Anyway, I'll be back. It just went up to 49. That's 10 ticks away. So, getting real close here. Okay, it's beginning to come down here, as you can see. Coming down. I'm not going to get rid of it. It'll make it up to the exit with a very high mathematical chance. I always play the math. The computer tells me what it's going to do before it does it. It'll make it to the exit. It's actually a conservative exit. I could push another 20 ticks on it if I wanted to, very easily. But I'm just going to keep the 80 tick exit on it. Most everybody you know would get out already be out thinking it's going to go down. It doesn't matter how far it goes down. All that matters is that it makes it to that exit, and it will make it to that exit with at least an 80% chance, if not 90%. So I will hold it. I will come back. But how would I do something like that unless it was controlled by a computer? You wouldn't. If you were just trading this, you'd get out because you have no idea what it's going to do. It could easily just come down if it's actually trading. There's absolutely no way you could know it's going to go back up, break that high again, and go hit the exit. There is no possible chance you could know that. Anyway, I'll come back. Okay, here comes the exit. It's almost there. I'll come right back. Okay, here it comes. Just a few more ticks. Okay, I am out. So there you have it. I got in down here at 79, and I put a 59 exit on it, which is up here, and that was 80 ticks. So I was able to know where to enter and where to get out with mathematical precision. How? Why? Well, simple answer. Because a computer is controlling it. There would be no possible way that anybody in the world could know something like that unless they took a wild guess that it would do that. There's no possible chance. It's a mathematical impossibility. Because trading doesn't work like that. Real trading is very dynamic, and it changes all the time. There's no way to predict it like that. It's 100% impossible. But since it's controlled by a computer, and the computer keeps doing the same things over and over and over again, it's very easy to know what it's going to do. I track this system, track the computer every day in my charting service. That's how I'm able to stay on top of it at all times and know exactly what it's going to do. And so do a lot of my clients. I have a lot of charting subscribers signed up. And who can blame them? Anyway, I am done for the day, and I will be back tomorrow. Actually, I'm not sure that I'm going to be back tomorrow, but I will try to be back, because tomorrow is Friday night for me. It's Friday in the morning for the USA time. It's Friday night for me. So a lot of times I don't trade on Friday night because I'm out doing something, But I'll try to trade. If I can't, then I'll just come back next week. But my purpose here is to show you, show the world, and wake up as many people as I can all around the world that all of the markets are controlled in advance by a computer program, and you can, in fact, profit from this if you so desire to do so. I am teaching how to do it at my website. Okay, I'm gonna go. Hope you traders are doing well. Happy trading, and if I don't see you tomorrow, have a good weekend.